In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Volume Accumulation Percentage Indicator in TradingView Pro Quick and Easy Guide. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open for any market you want to analyze. It could be stocks, crypto, forex, or anything else. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open and you can clearly see the candles, we're going to add the indicator. Look towards the top of your chart for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually near the time frame and symbol area. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the main indicator window where you can search for and apply tools to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside that search bar so your cursor is active there. This is where we're going to look for the exact indicator we want. Take your time and make sure you're typing in the right name, because TradingView has a lot of similar indicators. Now, type in Volume Accumulation Percentage Indicator. As you type, TradingView will start showing you matching results just below the search bar. You may see a few different versions or scripts from different authors, so locate the one that matches the name you're looking for. When you see it in the list, simply click on it once. Right away, it will automatically be added to your chart. After you've added it, look at the lower part of your chart or wherever your indicators usually appear. You should now see the Volume Accumulation Percentage Indicator displayed as a separate panel. To customize it, hover over the indicator's name on the left side of that panel. You'll see a small gear icon which stands for Settings. Click on that gear icon to open the Settings menu. In the Settings window, you can adjust inputs, colors, and style so it matches your trading layout and is easy for you to read. Take a moment to tweak the appearance, such as line colors or thickness, so the indicator stands out clearly against your chart background. When you're happy with how everything looks, click OK or close the window, and your changes will be applied. If you don't already have TradingView Pro, and you want access to all the features and a smoother experience with indicators like this, use the link in the description to sign up. Once you're set up, follow these exact steps and you'll have the Volume Accumulation Percentage Indicator ready to go on your charts.